Okay, months of the year. You've learnt some of these already because they're the same names as the days of the week, but let's go through them. Okay. January, Ionawr. February, Chwefror. Again, because it's a bit Chwefror. Yeah, 2 R's and a ch in it. It's quite hard to pronounce, but Chwefror. March is mouth, or Tuesday, but it's mouth. So Ionawr, Chwefror, mouth. April sounds a bit similar to the English one. It's Ebrich. Well, maybe not that similar, but it sounds similar to me. April is Ebrich. May is Mai. See, that's quite similar, isn't it? So May is Mai. June is Mehefin. Mehefin. July is Gorffennaf. August is Awst. As in, like the, if you're British, like the air freshener, you know, oust. Or to get rid of something. O-U-S-T, oust. That's how it's pronounced. Oust. So that's August. September is Medi. M-E-D-I. Medi. Okay? October is Hydref, which also happens to be the Welsh word for autumn, or the fall, if you're American. Which sort of makes sense because it happens around October time anyway. So October is Hydref. November is Tachwedd. That's quite hard, it's got a ch and a the in it, so I'll say it again. Tachwedd. Last but not least, December is Rhagfyr. That's Rhagfyr. So that's quite hard to pronounce as well. Rhagfyr. Okay? So there we go, months of the year. So now you know all them. Until next time, hwyl, and if you've got any questions, leave a comment or send me a message. And I would absolutely love to see videos of you trying to pronounce things and stuff. I think that'd be great. Okay? So until next time, hwyl fawr.